So this is for the quiz for tomorrow. We are going to be simplifying, multiplying, dividing, adding, and subtracting polynomials. In case it's hard to kind of tell what some of the symbols are or some of the operation symbols, I put on the side of that particular problem what it is that you're being asked to do. So the first one is you're being asked to add the fractions together in lowest terms. Need a least common denominator, which would end up being 6. So we know we want everything over a 6. The only way to get 2 to turn into a 6 is to multiply top and bottom by 3. To get 3 to turn into the 6 is to multiply top and bottom by 2. So the first numerator becomes 3x over 6. The second numerator becomes 4x over 6. And the final answer here is 7x over 6. Number 2, again, expresses a single fraction in simplest form. We're looking to subtract here. 4 and 5, common denominator is 20. I need to multiply the first fraction times 5, the second fraction times 4, and I get on the top 15x minus 4x. This turns into 11x over 20. I'm completely simplified. Choice 2. Number 3, what is the sum? I'm looking to do some addition here. I need to get a common denominator, which is 15, realizing that these guys are binomials. I need to multiply the first fraction by 5, top and bottom, the second fraction by 3, top and bottom. What that turns into by distributive property is 5x minus 5 plus 3x plus 9. When I combine those particular like terms, 5x and 3x, 8x. Negative 5 and positive 9 is plus 4, and this becomes all over 15. I realize the top in this case is in parentheses, and I can actually GCF it. So 4 comes out, 2x plus 1 over 15. This is my most simplest form, but if you notice, that simplest form is not shown in the answer key. They didn't say to put it in simplest form, they just said what's the sum, and the Regents might sometimes do this. So this answer, before you simplified it, happens to be choice 3. So I'm going to be looking for everything in the most simplest form. That's what I'm going to be asking for. So 8x plus 4 over 15 would not be an answer that I would accept, assuming it wasn't multiple choice. The answer that I need to see from you guys tomorrow is the most simplest form. Number 4, we're looking for addition again, and we do not have like denominators. The like denominator becomes 6x. I need to multiply this first fraction by 2 and nothing by the second fraction. Again, realizing that I have to distribute. 2x plus 20 plus 7 minus 2x. We're still over a 6x. 2x minus 2x goes away. 20 plus, so these guys cancel each other out. This becomes 27. I'm not in simplest form. I need to divide both things by 3. 3 goes into 27 9 times. 3 goes into 6 twice. 9 over 2x. Final answer here, choice 3. Number 5, we're looking to divide. So I need to do keep, change, flip. I'm going to keep the top as is, but it can be factored by dots. The bottom I can't touch. I'm going to flip the second fraction, 28 over x minus 5. X minus 5s go away. I end up with monomial, binomial, monomial. Well, the two monomials simplify, and what ends up coming out is 2, right? Because 28 divided by 5, or by 14 is 2, so it's 2x plus 5 over 1. The 1 is not necessary. Final answer here, choice 4. 6, product, that means to multiply. Keep as is. Top is going to be an IM, x minus 3, x plus 2. The bottom is a GCF, 3x minus 3. Keep this as the same, but put parentheses around the bottom. The x minus 3's go, the x plus 2's go. Your final answer is 2/3, choice 1. Oh, Jordan Coker, hope you're watching this thing. Number 7, it's division. Keep, change, flip. X over the binomial x plus 3. Change to division. The new numerator is factorable by dots, and the new denominator is just a mono. So x plus 3's can cancel each other out. What you're left with is an x mono, x minus 3 by, over 3x mono. Don't forget, monos can cancel monos. That 3 was not supposed to be crossed out, just the x's. X minus 3 over 3, choice 2. Number 8, just simplify. Factor top, factor bottom. I am plus 3, it's not right, plus 5, plus 1. So x plus 5, x plus 1, dots, minus 5, plus 5. Final answer is x plus 1 over x minus 5, choice 1. Number 9, simplify again. Dots up top, minus 7 plus 7. GCF on the bottom, 2x minus 7. X plus 7 over 2, choice 2. Number 10, top, I am, b minus 6, b plus 2. Bottom dots, minus 6, plus 6. The minus 6's go away. B plus 2 over B plus 6, B plus 2, choice 1. That's not right. B plus 2 over B plus 6. No. Sorry, circle the wrong thing. Plus 2 plus 6, choice 3, sorry. 11, simplify. I am top, I am bottom. X minus 3, x minus 3. The bottom becomes x minus 3, x minus 1. Goodbye here, goodbye here. Final answer, in this case, choice 4. 12, multiply. GCF top left, 4, x minus 5. GCF bottom left, 8, x plus 2. Keep as is. Top is I am. What number am I on? 12. Top I am, x plus 5. X plus 2. Bottom is dots. Minus 5. Plus 5. Let's see. Plus 5. Plus 5, plus 2, plus 2, minus 5, minus 5. You're left with 4/8, which is the same thing as 1/2, choice 3. 13, multiply again, GCF, 3, x plus 6, denominator. Can't do anything, leave it in your, or put in parentheses. Top right, GCF, 2. 2x minus 5 on the bottom, GCF 6, 6 plus x. So 6 plus x and x plus 6 are the same thing. It's a commutative property in play. So you can actually cross these out because they would give you the same value. These guys give you the same value. What you're left with in this case becomes 3 times 2 on the top, right? 3 times 2, mono, mono. On the bottom was just 6 over 6. So your answer here is just 1 whole. The next one, are we still recording? Okay, so the next one, simplify. This is division. Number 14, dots. X minus 1, x plus 1. I am x minus 6, x plus 1. Keep, change, flip. New numerator, 3x. X minus 6, new denominator, GCF, 6x, x minus 1. Let's see. Minus 1, minus 1, plus 1, plus 1, minus 6, minus 6. You're left with mono, mono, again, down to 1/2. The x's go away. 15. Simplest form, we're subtracting. GCF, or least common denominator, I should say, is 15x. I need to multiply fraction 1 by 3. Need to multiply fraction 2 by 5. So what's happening here is I get 18 minus 10, which becomes 8 over 15x. Can't simplify, choice 2. Number 16, we're looking for division. So GCF, top, GCF, 4x plus 3, bottom. Up top, new numerator, x plus 3. On the bottom, dots. What can we get rid of? We can get rid of x plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 3. The final answer becomes 3 over 4, x minus 2. Don't see that answer anywhere. Interesting, okay? So they asked you to simplify, but what's another equivalent expression to this? What happens if we were to distribute, which I don't want you guys to do, but the Regents might ask you to do it. The simplified form, which is the answer I would want, is here. Not a choice, but this, when you distribute down on the bottom, is a choice. Again, for me, I want everything in most simplified form. If it's a multiple choice question, you got to watch. Do they have it as simplified, most simplified, or just a different equivalent expression? Okay, so you got to be careful on that one. 17. Simplest form. So my denominator is 12a. First fraction needs to be multiplied by 3. Second fraction is multiplied by 4. I get 18 minus 8, which becomes 10 over 12a. Well, I can divide both of those by 2. 5 over 6a, choice 2. 18. This is one of the ones that happened to be on the quiz. Get rid of this little line thing here. Okay, so this is division. The top, it's GCF, right? Always look for a GCF. So 2x squared minus 4x minus 21. But that's not done, right? Because this really is 2, and then I've got an IM in here, which becomes x minus 7, x plus 3. That's what you're looking at for this top problem. So we've got 2x minus 7. Let me actually put this in a different color. All right, so when we actually do this problem, we're going to have the top left becomes 2, x minus 7, x plus 3. Denominator, nothing can be done. Keep, change, flip. GCF, the new numerator, x minus 3, and dots the new denominator, x minus 3, x plus 3. Let's see. X minus 3, x minus 3, x plus 3, x plus 3. Let's see if we can raise this up a little bit. So what's left on the top, monos, is 2 and x. So 2x, x minus 7. On the bottom, what's left is 6x squared. But the monos can be simplified. 2 divided by 6 is 1/3. There's more x's on the bottom by 1. And we still have this parenthesis. So the answer is going to be 1. X minus 7 over 3x, which when you look at the answer key is really choice 1. Okay. Almost there. 19. Sum, common denominator is already x minus 2. Numerator, this becomes 4x squared, right? We're adding these things up. So it becomes 4x squared over x minus 2. That's it. Can't do anything else. Choice 4. 20. Simplest form, common denominators. So I need to realize that I'm subtracting. So I've got 2 plus x minus 2, which means it's 2 plus x plus, keep, change, change all. All right, so 2 plus 2 is 4. X minus x is 0. It's 4 over 5x. Let me show that a little bit differently. Your original numerator was 2 plus x. You were subtracting from that x minus 2. I essentially have to distribute a -1 into here, which means this guy, 2 plus x, is normal. When I distribute, I get -1x, right? Distribute. When I distribute, I get +2. Well, again, if you group like terms, 2 and 2 is 4, but x minus x is nothing. All right, that's where the 4 over 5x comes from. 21. Sum, like denominators, 2y plus 10 over y plus 5. Well, the top can be factored by GCF. The bottom, these guys are the same. Get rid of them. Your answer is just 2. Last but not least, simplify. Your top has got a GCF. What's left over? 2 comes out, x squared plus 5x minus 14. Remember, that's not done. I'm going to factor the bottom real fast, but then I'm going to factor again because I realize that the top now becomes, this is a 14, is a IM, so it becomes 2 with x plus 7, x minus 2 over 4, x plus 7. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Now I have 2 x minus 2 over 4. Monomials can simplify. 2/4 is 1/2. X minus 2 over 2, choice 1. All right, so that's it. You guys should be in such good shape for tomorrow. All right, good luck.